If you treat 2026 like just another year, it will punish you like every wasted year before it. But if you start these habits now, 2026 won't feel heavy. It will feel earned. Most people don't fail because they are weak. They fail because they delay change. They say, "I'll start next month. I'll start next year. I'll start when life slows down." Life never slows down. Stoics warned us about this. They said, "While we wait for life to begin, it passes." If you're serious about 2026, these are the 7 habits you must start now, not late. Habit 1. Master your mornings. Your mornings decide your future. Not motivation, not luck, not talent. How you start the day is how you train your mind to live it. Most people wake up and immediately react. Phone messages, noise, stress. Stoics believed in control before chaos. Start with this simple rule. No phone for the first 30 minutes. Instead, sit in silence. Stretch your body. Breathe deeply. Ask one question. What must I do today to respect my future self? If you can control your morning, you can control your life. Habit 2. Do one hard thing daily. Comfort is the enemy you don't see coming. The Stoics trained themselves to face discomfort on purpose. Cold, hunger, silence, effort. Not because it felt good, but because it made them unbreakable. Every day, do one hard thing. Work out when you don't feel like it. Speak when silence is easier. Work when distraction is tempting. A man who avoids discomfort becomes fragile. A man who seeks it becomes dangerous. In a good way. 2026 will respect the version of you that doesn't run from effort. Habit 3. Remove useless dopamine. This habit alone can change your life. Your phone is not evil, but uncontrolled dopamine is. Endless scrolling, short pleasure, long regret. The Stoics didn't fight desire, they mastered it. Try this. No social media before sleep. No reels before work. No cheap pleasure before duty. If you can't control your impulses, someone else will. And they won't care about your future. Habit 4. Think longer than others. Most people think in days. Some think in weeks. Very few think in years. Stoics lived with long-term vision. Ask yourself daily, will this matter in 5 years? If the answer is no, don't give it your peace. Arguments, ego battles, temporary validation. Think long, act slow, stay focused. 2026 rewards patience, not panic. Habit 5. Journal your thoughts. Marcus Aurelius ruled an empire, yet he still wrote to himself every night. Why? Because the mind lies when unchecked. Write daily. What went wrong? What did I control? What will I improve tomorrow? A man who doesn't reflect repeats the same year again and again. Don't let 2026 be a copy of your past. Habit 6. Guard your circle. Not everyone deserves access to you. Stoics believed, we become like those we spend time with. If your circle normalizes weakness, mocks discipline, hates growth, then it's not friendship, it's slow poison. Choose people who respect silence, Respect effort. Respect progress. Your environment will shape 2026, whether you like it or not. Habit 7. Live with Memento Mori. This is the most powerful habit. Memento Mori means, remember, you will die. Not to scare you, but to wake you up. Every wasted day is a day you never get back. If today were your last year before death, would you live like this? 2026 is not guaranteed, but preparation is. Live like time matters, because it does. You don't need motivation. You need habits. Start small. Start now. Stay consistent. If you respect these 7 habits, 2026 will respect you back. And remember, a disciplined life feels hard now, but regret feels heavier later. If this helped you, subscribe to Life Lessons Studio